Do you want to ramp up your IELTS preparation with the help of IELTS Mock Tests? If yes, then be assured of being at the right place. Yuno Learning's 3 IELTS Mock Test classes are for candidates who want to gain confidence by taking mock tests. These tests are designed in a structured manner so that you can get the real test-like experience before taking the actual IELTS test. Let's see what benefits these classes offer to you. This course includes 1-to-1 1.5 hours mock test analysis of 3 IELTS mock tests. The detailed analysis and feedback after the test helps you to analyze your performance and improve your weaker areas. Through a series of mock tests, you will eventually gain confidence and experience significant improvement in your overall score. Since all the sessions are recorded, you can view the recordings during any time of the day. Our online IELTS study material and resources help you prepare for the IELTS test and score your desired band score. For attending these classes, you simply need a laptop or mobile phone and a stable internet connection. In case you don't like the classes, you can get a full refund anytime during the first 3 days of starting your enrollment. So, hurry and reach out to one of our counselors on WhatsApp or give them a call to book a free demo class today.